Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can turn off camera on TikTok Live. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the TikTok application, but of course before you do this you also want to make sure to update the application to the latest version. Once inside TikTok, you want to click or press on the plus icon at the middle of your screen, which is going to be this one. And basically inside this page, what you can do is to look for the live option. Unfortunately, my account isn't supported on the live feature yet, but in order to turn off your camera, all you have to do, or the only option that we have, is to cover your phone using your hand or using a tape instead, because as of the moment there's no in-app function to basically turn off our camera on TikTok Live. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.